Let's see what Knoster State Park has to offer for nature. Beautiful stone bridge, creek. Wow, they have lots of lake options. I think I'm gonna head to Clear Fork Lake area. Let's see what we got for photography. Hey friends, so I made it here to Knoster and I have got my camera. It's a Sony a6000 and only have a 50mm on me, so let's see what we can capture. I'm excited, and here we go hiking. First time being here at Knoster State Park here in Missouri. Let's come up right there. Here we go. Woohoo! I see the lake, Clear Fork Lake coming up. Beautiful. So nice and peaceful here. Beautiful Missouri view. Beautiful summer green day. And here we are. If you can help me out, what are these little tails sticking up through the water? My husband votes for tadpoles. I'm thinking they're baby snakes feeding up at the water, but they made the strangest noise. Like, it was just, wow, crazy. I had to go find them, and there they were. I was so thankful to capture this beautiful butterfly up close. And here are a few of my captures that I got at Clear Fork Lake. This cute beetle. And the moss on the water made this really cool nature pattern. I loved how that one turned out. And I didn't know exactly what this flower was, but it was so pretty next to the lake. And there's that beautiful butterfly again. And then this one coming up, I did a cool edit of Clear Fork Lake. Thanks for joining me. Have a blessed day.